Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Denton County in north central Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Crum, or 7 miles southwest of Sanger, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, The Colony, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, Prosper, Salina, Crum, Argyle, Hickory Creek, Double Oak, Shady Shores, and Aubrey. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 475. Interstate 35W between mile markers 78 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 450 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.